Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let's start the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get in. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips for your Microsoft Windows. If you are using Windows 7 or Windows 10 and 11, this video will be very helpful for you. So stay tuned and watch complete video. Just press Windows key plus Alt plus R. Then, Windows will start screen recording, which is built by Microsoft. Then you can press, and you can see your recording. Here is the example in which I have done this practically. The second one is, just press Windows key plus D. All your open tabs will be minimized. Press again, all the tabs will be resized. Here is the example in which I have done this practically. I hope you like the video. See you in next video. Bye bye.